Trade.
Good day everyone, no matter where you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of the trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Scarlett, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standards of WeMasterTrade. They are not just skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever-composed, always insightful Raf. Welcome, Raf.
Thank you so much, Scarlett. Hello everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm genuinely excited for this session because there's so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund traders, it builds traders step by step, from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolute no-nonsense chart reading, strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Helen.
Thank you, Scarlett, and hello to everyone in the chat. I'm really thrilled to be here. What excites me more is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system, packages, promotions, scale, payout structure, all of it. And if you have had a question or doubt, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you're completely new or already a funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you a full picture, not just the highlight reel. We're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional brokers or platforms. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you are signed up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
And let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That different matter. Broker will profit from volumes or client losses, when WeMasterTrade profits only when your traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shaped our training packages as well. Today we will walk through each package, who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparisons, pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, consistency rules, and paid out timelines. Reading numbers on the website is one thing, understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And when you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rules, especially the daily loss limit, how it calculates, why uploading profit and loss matter, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share real experiences from my early funding trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we'll go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital bonuses, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there is a structured pathway to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit-sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical platform out there. When you trade on a funding account, follow the rules and generate profit, we share the profit with you, and not just a small cut, up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout circle, the threshold, how the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunities.
Now, I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders. Some of you are mentors, educators, community leaders, or you simply have strong networks. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We'll walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. That includes a full explanation of the two referee rule and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commission, you're building a long-term, sustainable income stream.
So as you can already tell, this is not your usual light, surface level live stream. Today we're going deep into everything, trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale-up pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal, helping you make smartest, most informed decisions for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are there. We are watching and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry. We will leave timestamp summary, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated team I've ever worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turn trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you are here to grow, to understand and to take action, you are in exactly the right place. So let's take this journey together. Alright everyone, let's begin. And once again, welcome to WeMasterTrade live stream. Alright, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are and what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so this next segment is all about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade come from, what values hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into real tools, real opportunities, and real outcomes for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, I've got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Rap and Helen. So Rap, let's get it off from the beginning.
Thanks, Scarlett. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most brokers or platforms that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission: to give capital traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance. And that's exactly what WeMasterTrade will build to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeMasterTrade group. Headquartered in Vancouver, Canada, WeMasterTrade made its name through investor networks, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And there's one key point many people overlook, and it's a matter. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan. It's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commission, and we don't earn when trader lose. Our model only works when the traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide a structure and pathway. Your role is to trade with the skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one is education first. We don't want a trader just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, and that's why behind the risk model. And that's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professional.
And the academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is, it's not just theory, it's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply it directly to your funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global education educational standards. WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO certified and recognitions given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it presents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows where we are invested in developing traders, not to collecting fees and disappearing, like so many firms in this space. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structures, stability, compliance, transparent process, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick way, we are here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shows in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see a trader from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just have them more, but have them trade with confidence and purpose. Some past challenges after years of being stuck with the retail broker, some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings, and some found clarified structure and support they haven't experienced before. We have watched students turn into the full-time trader. We have seen the women step back into the finance after a long career break, and young professionals from underbanked region. People who were locked out of the market now trade with the real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain a consistently updated blog session, weekly insights, psychology breakdowns, market reactions, and platform updates. We believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening its edge. So let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just features, it's the mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, shared knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing. We actually listen. We treat traders like partners, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here, in most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business. Your feedback shapes the platform. Your consistency determines how far we can scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
Answering our question whether the past is real, whether the trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial. Look at the funniest crowd, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the result, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerators, and an education-first trading institution. We're here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real, scalable income opportunities for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is bigger than a platform. It's a trading movement, and if you're ready to be part of it, today's live stream will give you a full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Ralph and Helen, for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer, our actual account packages. That means a full breakdown of all the different accounts options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they design for, and what kind of results you can realistically expect from each. Now that we explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principles we stand for, so it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins. Choosing a structure that aligns with your goals, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about dollar amounts, we're talking about frameworks for growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents a different pathway. a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today we walk you through every package, explain what is offered, how it's structured, and most importantly, who is designed for.
Exactly, Scarlett. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the Challenge and the Instant Funding Package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configurations. Because traders come with different strengths, risk appetite, and timeline, we make sure there's a buy for everyone, whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
And now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a cash strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same bridge rule that keeps your account safe.
So
In the instant funding bucket, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50, or 100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There is no simulated phases. You are already in the funded stage, and your profit share up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression, prove your skills, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with a real capital immediately with all the protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Think of it this way. The challenge market will build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. The instant funding will trade like capital immediately. If you're confident in your strategy, the both paths lead to the same destination. Scale your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That's our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you're at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparisons of challenge and instant funding so you can clearly see account sizes, risk rules, timelines, and profit share opportunities.
And the 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. And if you part the order abroad challenges or have a strong verified trading history, this is a natural step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the $14,000 challenge. Here's a good part: that fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want real capital from day one, earning purely based on results? That's where our instant funding packages come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stand out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced seasoned traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stage, just like trading, full backed by a structured, fair, and strengthened system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goal. Today we will go through the four main instant funding packages: 51010, 510 510 WC, customized. We will compare the detail, but most importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scenes. All instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phases, no evaluations. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits up to 90% profit share, scale plan toward $1 million, support for EA swing trade, scalping, and even HFT strategies. Now let's go package by package. Ralph Helen, I want you to jump in with real advice. Who should choose which package and what kind of traders have you seen succeed with each?
So let's start with the 5, 10, 10 packages up to 200,000, and you get 5% daily loss, 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
We have seen many traders created from standard to 5 cents. When you understand DS, it's about the scaling daily, yes, hours, certainly when the opportunity arrives. And this bucket profile for day trader, especially though focusing on fast-moving assets like NADA, ROL, or volatile forex pairs. We already have attached intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for it. This is one packet for you. It gives you a flexibility without scary structure.
And we will come with a little break and we will be back soon, so don't go anywhere.
We copy trade. copy trade. We copy trade. We copy trade. Trade.
Alright, and so Ralph Helen, for someone deciding between
No way.
standard and 510, how do you know which fits their trading personality?
No way.
So let's talk about the conditions of the 510 package. It had up to $200,000 balance, maximum balance, and you get 5% daily loss, 10% overall limit. So why is that important, Helen?
No way. Chị không thấy. Cũng. So, wait a minute.
So next up, let's shift gear to the 510 package. Same minimum capital up to $200,000. Right now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
And the extra grab room is huge for traders who scale into the position or like take multiple in try per setup. Imagine you are in volatile markets with a fast swing. The 5-10 rule let you navigate larger move without hitting the limits remotely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scabbing, EAs, nail trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
So Ralph Helen, for someone deciding between standard and 510, how do they know which fits their trading personality?
Well, if you prefer lower risk, steady growth, standard is your friend. You can compound slowly without pressures. 510 is for those who understand volatility, manage multiple positions, and want a slightly larger cushions. You have more room to make strategic move without being cut off by limit.
Exactly, and we have seen many traders graduate from standard to 5-10 cents when they understand the ask. It's about scaling stably, yet aggressively when the opportunity arises. And this package is perfect for day trader, especially those focusing on fast moving asset like NADA, gold, volatile forex pair. And if you already have a tad intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for it, it is the package for you. It gives you a flexibility without scaling structure.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with clear targets. The 10% profit goal acts as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So to sum up, 510 for high tolerance intraday or ambitious traders. Next, we'll dive into the 510 and 510 no BC packages, which are even more flexible for advanced trading styles, including EA scaling and more aggressive strategy. This one a personal favorite for traders who love trading on their terms. The 5-10-0 package, you get a 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss but 0 profit target. That's right, no numbers chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on precision over pace, this is pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gain, and growing your account without any arbitrary pressures. No targets, just trading, clean control, and strategy.
And this market is perfect for low-risk trader as a market sniper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it.
So, who is it for? Veterans, swing traders, risk-conscious traders, basically anyone who values consistency over speed. If that sounds like you, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to chase targets. Some just want to trade cleanly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
Next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraints, the 5-10-10 no PC package. Helen, correct me if I'm wrong. This one removes the profit consistency rule.
Exactly, same 5 or 10 risk profile with no pressure to smooth out your profit. You can hit a big win, take calculated swing, and you're not penalized for volatility in reserve.
Just a heads up, trades career aren't allowed, so this is for manual traders only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with occasional big spikes, this is the ideal arena.
And it's for IWC trader, risk taker, and anyone restricted by strict consistency rule elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
And this is premium asset trading. You can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, SFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this market will let you bring it to life. And this market profile for top-tier professional. It has fund trader, high-volume traders, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tolerate a trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you have tried automotives and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunities. Clear risk parameters, competitive commissions, full market access, and genuine profit potential. No artificial time limits. And payouts we can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you are on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dream. The right fit always outperform the fastest moments.
So Rap Helen will cover the packages, the rules, and the strategies. Next, let's show our audience how to compare them side by side so we can make an informed choice that actually works for them. Alright traders, you've seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the props from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's a real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down, one thing, daily loss.
Yeah, the infamous daily loss, most traders think they understand it until it's blow their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon basis.
But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, this will become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, sets a hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second, your account shuts down automatically.
And here the nuance is always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. The small detail is what catches so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety ledge. It's not there to punish you, it's there to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates from 107,000, the higher number.
4% of 107,000 equal to about 4,280. Your equity cannot drop below the 1,700 that day is auto liquidation.
And here's the kicker, this is real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even a second, and boom, account closed.
And now flip this. Day 7, balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Well, since balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000, your equity must stay above 96,000 on day.
Drop to $95,999, auto liquidation triggers, no margin call, no warning, just that.
And what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. All trade liquidated. Your account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it executes at live market prices, slippage can make the final profit and loss worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you planned could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edges. Respect the limits, protect your capital, and your stays funded longer and grows consistently.
And over trader, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where rule mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on your equity, not just balance. Small traders stare their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you're in already at risk of violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provides live risk dashboard, so check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during an AP at the full side. That's a fast track to hit daily loss. Scale down your loss while the volatility moves slightly.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with daily loss?
Number 1. Over leveraging. Opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly. When it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposure. To trade left overnight, wake up to a 60 pip gap daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake,
Assuming only close trades matter. Nope, equity includes floating profit and loss too. That's your real score. And I always tell new traders the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the wall. Learn that you will last longer than 90% of the market.
one last point, it isn't about the rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade funds you because we trust you manage risk responsibly. the daily loss, it protects that trust for both sides. And next up, we're talking about the maximum loss rule, your account's airbag. This isn't just for one day, this is for the entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limits, I'm safe. But a few days of small losses and up, and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the mark loss is final safety net hits and the system see your account is unsavable. Immediate closure, no exception.
So let's break it down simply. It's the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset every day, this is cumulative. Lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
And the actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your static balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profit.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% max loss. That's $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below 47,000. Doesn't matter if you made 1,000 yesterday, it's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both flows and floating losses count. Float 0,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800, below 47,000 account close.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-time equities in the stop loss floor.
And say your account grow to 51,000 profits still break right, and the mark loss is still way on original 50,000, 6% limit equal to 47,000 profits only give the extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
And what happens when you break the mark loss? Drop below the mark loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation trigger instantly. All trades go as market price.
And like daily loss, slippage may make your final number slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, once breached, the account is permanently disabled. No resets, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading? You must purchase a new package.
And all trader, here the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the mark loss box and trade like pro without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor. Always track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert to calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Treat profit as a board, not a mode. Uploading gains don't mean going wide. Reduce loss size when you have protect your capital. Don't collaborate.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even one wrong trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 5% down on a 6% mark loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a breath, analyze, patience saves account.
And tip 5. Never find volatility library. Big new reduce size. Gold data, EUR pairs. Despite fast, respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy accounts faster than you can blink.
1. Over-leveraging. Opening positions at 5 to 7% of your account thinking is safe. One wrong move and you are toast.
And number 2, enroll in floating trades. Float trades loser think you're safe. One more rest trade floating from 1,500 to 2,000 and boom, account losses the line.
Number 3. Prevent trading. Lose yesterday, come back swing today to recover. Thus, our 6% max loss disappear in 2 sections.
4. Slippage during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your puffer before you can play.
Now, listen up. The max loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield. Your airbag. Every top trader I know treat it as non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hits hard. Account gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you're consistently skimming the ads, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the count lasts year, not days.
So here's the mantra, traders: respect the max loss. Trade inside the box. Protect your equity. Grow consistently. Treat it like your best friend, and it keep your account alive while most traders sell this stock around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we are not just handling our capital, we are building structures, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule does delight the separate gambler from true traders.
So let's lock this in, traders. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's the percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It counts both close and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here's the kicker: once it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders can't fail.
So alright, traders, we'll cover the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety next. Now let's talk about results, not just risks. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn sustainably, and that's where profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky spike from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistency profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawal and scale up, funding and cash withdrawal with the full profit. This rule is probably wide.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profits come in day to day. One huge spike and several flat or losing days, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception, the 5-10-10 no busy package, no busy rule at all.
And important, if your busy exceeds 20%, your profit shall drop to 10%. That's right, keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. And how it's calculated? The formula is simple. The best trading day profit divide total gross profits multiply 100 equal to profit consistency ratio.
Best day equals single day highest close profit. Total profit equals sum of on-close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until closed.
So if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency is 200 divide to 500 and multiply 100 equal to 40%. That's too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payouts.
And here the example. The 5-day reserve, the day 1 $100, day 2 $200, day 3 minus $50, day 4 $100, and day 5 $60.
So the total net profit is equal 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal $410.
So your best day is day 2 equal to $200. So your BC is 200 divide to 410 multiply 100, so equal to 48.78%.
What about the 30% limits? Even profitable, profit share drop to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't keep full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need steady wins.
And long-term balance equal to A higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates fundage flow from lucky spike. And if you over the limits, don't panic. Focus on evening out profit over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot size for a few days, take smaller control win 200 to 300 per day, avoid one massive swing trade, and spread gains across multiple days.
For EA user, monitor your equity curve. Whilst that spike profit into one day may hurt BC, adjust to keep ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Number 2. Overtrading after a big day, trying to squeeze more higher ratio.
So, number 3, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
So here's a mindset tip. This profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share. Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital, ignore it, and even profitable account get reduced payout.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep BC below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
So at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habit that can handle scale. If you can't be consistency with 25,000, what happens when we give you 100,000 more? And consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And we've seen it time and again, the traders who respect this rule, they are the ones getting multiple payouts, referrals, and eventually scaling into six-figure for their accounts. So next up, we'll move on to the news calendar.
And today is Tuesday, December 23, and we have got a packed economic calendar across AUD, JPY, EUR, CAD, CAD, and actually USD.
We start with Australia. The RBA meeting minute gives us insight into how policymakers view inflation and growth risk.
Exactly, if the talks crowd caution or doorways, AUD could come under pressure. A more neutral and hard tone would get help support AUD pairs. And at 12 p.m., BOJ core CPI year over year. The Japan core CPI come in exactly unexpected, shows stable inflation.
This keeps the BOG in wait and see mode. No surprise here, so GBY reaction should be limited unless BOG commentary changes. At 2 p.m., Euro-German import price month over month. This is an upside surprise. Import prices rising faster than expected as inflation pressure in Germany.
In the short term, it can be immediately supportive for EUR, but it's not strong enough on its own to change ECB policy execution. At 4 p.m. CFD, UBS economic expectation. Sweet economic standard improves, getting stabilization in growth expectation.
That generally is supportive for CHF, especially in low-risk environments. Coming up next, Section 2, U.S. employment and growth data. The first one is tentative USD ADP weekly employment change. ADP employment gives us an early signal for U.S. labor market strength.
And a strong number would support USD, while the miss could provide the rate cut expectation. For the Section 3, North America high impact data at 8:30 p.m. CAD GDP month over month. This is a big miss for Canada. GDP contract instead of expanding.
That's clearly bearish for CAD, especially against USD and GBY. Next, USD prelim GDP. US growth slowed slightly compared to expectation, but 3.3% is still solid.
Yeah, this is neutral to slightly bearish for USD, but the content matter with all the data coming out. The next event is core durable goods order month over month. The core order mid expectation is getting softer business environment.
So that's wrap up today's new analysis, and trade safe, manage your risk, and we'll see you at the next live stream. Happy trade!